Alright everyone, this video is for the exponential functions for Math 3. We're in Chapter 5. And what this is sometimes they give you a table and sometimes they don't. So I wanted to talk about sort of both situations. In the table situation, this is essentially your x and y's. And we might be used to writing a table like vertically. The reason we're doing it for this is I want to show you're looking for a constant pattern. So right away you say, oh, it's plus 6. Oh, wait, it's plus 12. Oh, wait, it's plus 24. So it's actually adding the other thing. How do you write what it's doing? You have to look for a pattern. Well, the adding is not consistent. What I did notice, though, is it seems to be doubling. Times 2, times 2. 24 times 2 would be 48. Times 2 would be 96. And you can continue this indefinitely. Okay. Now, how do you find the equation if they only gave you 2 points? Okay, for example, the book gives you examples like this. So they give you the table ones, and you want to look at examples for those. And they give you some of these where it just gives you 2 points. How are you supposed to find it in between those? And we're going to talk about that. All right. I was wrong. Also, it's 5.6. All right. So the table. The table's nice, but if they don't give you a table, if they just give you this, they're still giving you an x and a y. It's giving you 2 different x and y's. So it's like they're giving you a table, but they're not giving you number 1, 2, or they are giving you 3 as 27. 4, 5 is 243. So without those, it's hard to tell how did it change if you're missing stuff. So we need to do it by a different method. Okay. Well, the book did tell you that it's exponential. They said, well, we'll give you that much. Now, that's important. If he tells you it's exponential, they essentially telling you it can be written in this form. A times b to the x. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug in these x and y's and create 2 sets of equations. So y is 243 equals a is, I don't know, b is, I don't know, and x is 5. So using that x and y, I set up one equation. I'm going to color code. Call this my pink equation. And then I'll set up the other one. 27 equals a times b to the 3rd power. And let's see. We'll make that one my green equation. So we got 2 equations, and it's kind of like with 2 equations and 2 variables, we've done elimination before. This is sort of like elimination, but you can't subtract the equations. What we're going to do is we're going to divide them. Say what? We're going to make this 2 fractions and we're going to divide them. So 243 over 27, I think that divides, but I'm going to just use my calculator. And then that's going to give me 9. So I get a 9 over here. That divides just to give you 9. What happens with the A's? The A's cancel each other. Well, that's kind of nice. What happens with the B's? Well, the laws of canceling also work here, but there's 3 here and 5 here, so that 3 cancels with those, and you're left with 2. You're left with b squared. All right. In that case, we're trying to get down to b. If you square root both sides, you get 3 equals b. All righty. 3 equals b. All right. And we're not done. Well, I'm sorry, you can't see that. Now you can see it. 3 equals b. What about a? Well, now we got to plug it in back with one of these. You can use either the green numbers or the red numbers. Sorry, pink number. I'm going to use the 327. So we're going to use 3, 27. That was given. That was our x and y. We know that b equals 3, and we're looking for a equals what? We don't know. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to use that equation from the beginning again. ab to the x. We know b. We know x. We know y. So we're going to say 27 equals a times b is 3 and x is 3. 27 equals a times 3 to the 3rd now. I could have also used 2. I could have used the other points, 5 and 2, 4, 3. but that's too big. I don't like those. So, 3 to the third is 3 times 3 times 3. That's 27. Okay, so it's 3 times 3 times 3. That's how I got 27. And then, so 27 equals 27a. We divide both sides by 27. Get a equals 1. Alrighty, so we said a equals 1. We originally solved b equals 3. Now we can write our equation. A is 1, b is 3, x is x, and y is y. There's your answer. So we went through the steps. Go ahead and play this back if you need to. We went through the steps to get b, then we found a, and then we plugged them back in. And x and y stay because this formula would now work. And if you graph this, this would go through our original 2 points. If we use that equation, we can also fill in the rest of our table if you wanted to. Okay, so that's what we did. That's how it is. That's how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching. And have a great afternoon.